if you have a business that you sell items that you want to advertise, so you have to create ads. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can create your ad using your phone. So if you have an Android phone, an iPhone, you can create your ad on your phone. You don't have to go and pay anybody to take picture and now doing poster. Now the posters too are not pulling like that on social media, so you need to put a little motion in it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the app that you can use. Now, follow my YouTube channel and watch the full video. Thank you. You just have to go to Play Store, then you look for Instories. Okay, so that's the name. Now you can see that I have installed it already. Okay, so you just open it. Now it will bring you to the software. You can see there is a lot of template, and it has been grouped based on each category. Okay, so you have happy birthday, you have mock-ups and all of that. Now today what we'll be looking at is the sell product. Okay, so I'm going to make use of any of these. Let me use the third one. Okay, so now this is a template, so you can change anything you want. So let's look at how to add the product. Okay, then you just select the add photo. Yeah, I've downloaded some picture to use. So let's say I'm using this shoe. Okay, now the shoe is here. You can see remove background. So I'm going to select remove background, and you can see how perfectly remove the background. So it's very important to make sure your background is white or any uniform color, so that the software is able to identify the object and remove it easily. Okay, or the object that you are putting in should be on a background that is so visible. Okay, so you can see, yeah, you see the eye here. I can select the eye to preview to see the template I'm working with. Okay, now I can change the text by just selecting it. So I select it. Okay, so I'm going to write Jimmy. Sorry, then done. Okay, so the limited edition, I'll leave it there. Then I want to change the swipe up. Since it's a video, I don't need a swipe up, so I will put my phone number there, 02422 Okay, now you can work on the text with animation. So if I want to put in animation, so let's say buy now. You see, so you see these are special text. These are, so you can look for the different animation that you want to use. Okay, then you can also change the color and the font. So this is the font I'm using. I can scroll to look for more font. Okay, I'm picking this horizon. Then the color, you can change your color to anything you want. Okay, so this is it. Now you can see this is small. So what I'll do is that you see the down here, I'll select that arrow and then enlarge it. Okay, drag it to the other side. If you drag it down, you see that this has to be happening. So you drag it to the other side to enlarge it. Okay. Now if I want to add another text which wasn't in the template, I will just go to add. So I will go for add, and then I will go to the text. So you can add text, you can add your any other media files, stickers, GIF, logo, and then you can add another page. Okay, so I'm going to add a text for bulk purchase. Okay, I can animate it. I can probably use so I'll change. Now I don't want any animation for that, so I don't like the color too, so I will still go for my black. Okay, then I'll drag for bulk purchase. Now it's also very important, probably I put the price there. As I mentioned, I don't like product that doesn't have price. Once there's a price, I'll make a decision. So I'll go and add a sticker. Okay, so you scroll down, look for any nice sticker. I'm looking for this one. Then you go back to your text, add text. Okay, so let me say this is 1,000, and then I'll drag it and put it on my, okay, on my sticker. Yeah, so if there is any other thing that you want to add, if you want to add your logo, you go to add, you go and look for your logo, and then you add it. Now this is it. Now you know that status is 30 seconds. Okay, this is not actually up to 30 seconds. So how do I increase the time? You click on editor. Okay, so you can see the timeline. Now the duration is 6 seconds rather. So then you see the arrow here. You just hold it, drag on the timeline. Okay, you push, drag. So I may do 30 seconds or 20 seconds. So I'm okay with 20 seconds. Then you select OK. So now you see that it takes time to play. Okay, then if I finish, I can add music. Okay, so I'll go to music. Now you see that the app have some music for you. Okay, so you can use any of them. There is your Instories library to have some. So now it's now downloading it. Okay, but if you have your own sound, you can go in for your own sound. Now I can drag the slider. You see, you just drag it to where you want the song to start. Okay, but make sure the song is not copyright, or else once you post this on Instagram or Facebook, they will pull it down for you. So you can go to YouTube actually to look for sound. Just write background music, no copyright, and you have a lot of them. So when I'm done, I'll just select done. You preview it, and then you can see that the sound is coming. Okay, so when you are done, now what is the style? The style is just going to show you your template. Okay, so you can try to see if you want to change the template, and then the price tag and all. I mean, it gives you all the other categories, and then you can also change the format. So for example, this is a vertical video. Now you see that because of our phone, most of the things we are doing is supposed to be vertical. You can also want to make it square for WhatsApp status, but I mean every phone is going to, it will look more vertical, so I will stick to the vertical. Click OK. Then now I will go to save. Now you can save it to be image. Okay, if you want an image of it, you can do that, but you can also do a video. Then you can also send it direct to your social media platforms. Okay, so I'm going to use Camera Raw to save it on my device. Now you see that it's adding effects and the animation. It's going to save this on your device, so it's just saving. It shouldn't take a long time, so we will wait for it to save. Yeah, so it's done. I will just click on the done, then it will take me back. So these are some of the projects I've been working with. You see I have the birthday and all of that. We will look at all of those things, but let's go to our gallery. Yeah, and go to Instories. Yeah, you'll see it here. So you see this is very nice. It's more interactive than just a static flyer. Thank you. The next video we'll look at another product, and then we'll also take the other categories. Thank you very much.